Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Psycho, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button. If you find any kind of value, make sure to subscribe to, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any. And I just keep it as simple, short, and we get in front as possible as always. So as you can see right here, we have Tezos coin or XTZ with the USDT or the Tether token. Basically, Tezos is sitting at right around $3.40. Today we are down 4.5 cents, or approximately $1.34%, 1.34% to the push. We are pushing to the downside today. So this is what is moving. We just passed right here. We passed this like lower high. So basically, like what we then also passed this. So yeah, like you get the point. And from right here on, I think that we are going to be pushing to the downside, but to the upside, excuse me. But this is happening solely because of the Bitcoin price. You know, the market is pretty down, so yeah, we gotta have some dojis, kind of dojis, laying here and there. So yeah, you get the point. And guys, make sure you don't miss on this opportunity, because right now it is pretty low, and I hope in the future, if I continue to make these kind of videos, I will look back and say, oh my god, I was giving the right advice, or like vice versa. I was maybe giving you the wrong advice. But bro, this is how I'm thinking right now, and how a lot of people are thinking too. So my advice is, do not follow the crowds, do what you want to do. But right now, Tezos is a great time to buy. It is great for stacking your money. So yeah, and this is basically for today's update. In today's video, my prediction still looks the same. I think that tomorrow we will maybe be having a small bearish or indecisive day. We will see. And if you want to support my channel, just smash that like button. It will help me out a lot, and I will highly appreciate it from you guys for sticking till the end. And thank you so much for your time. And if you want to earn some free stuff, go into the links in the description down below, and I will be seeing you guys soon. Peace out.